I'm at a place I'm not even going to try to pronounce. Maybe it's Wapataki or Wapatuki National Monument. But right now, I'm experiencing what I call the beauty of nothingness. Let's look back behind me. Just for as far as you can see, there's nothing. Now, sure, we got our road right over there, but we always think of America as this place where just people and buildings and stuff and junk. But just look at this. Nothing is out here. Nothing. To the horizon. No buildings, no high tension wires, no freeways, no people. Look over here, you got the mountains. Over here, you got a mountain with the snow on the top. And this is living, people. This is it. There was another one of those. I didn't plan on stopping here. It's funny, that actually the reason I stopped here, there's something I saw down the road that I read about on Atlas Obscura. So I just need a place to turn around, and I'm gonna head back about a mile down the road and show you what that is. But this, man, I could just, you can hear these kind of like, I don't know what they were. It jumped like a locust, but they make this little clicking sound. But that's all you hear. I don't hear people. I don't hear planes. I don't hear trucks. Maybe a little bit out there on Expressway, but you know what I mean. Just nothingness, and it's beautiful. You gotta just enjoy it. Man, I could just sit here for a while. All right, I'm gonna keep on driving. I wanna go back, find that totem. Let's keep this adventure going, man. This is life, this is living. Here I'm on the side of the road. I wish I could pronounce this correctly. It's W-U-P-T-A-K-I. But that way takes me back to the Grand Canyon. That way takes me back to Flagstaff. But I found out about this thing. It's a totem, and it's out here in the middle of nowhere. And allegedly, no one actually knows the story behind it or why it's here. But as you can see, there's nothing around here besides the road. And you got this totem in the middle of nowhere. It looks like it's been painted. You know, maybe somebody comes out and updates the paint every now and then. But it's just knowing those little, I almost backed up right into the barbed wire fence. That would not have been good. But it's here in the middle of nowhere. These are kind of things I like seeing, not necessarily the main tourist attractions, but the off the beaten path stuff. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. I guess I heard people will leave stuff here. There's nothing there right now, but there's a little shelf, a rock in there. Leave your offerings, I suppose. All right, so let's do this. Let's leave a lucky penny up here. Hopefully nothing comes out and bites me. I am such a city boy. But, more nothingness. I just love finding stuff like this. Like I said, the website I use is called Atlas Obscura. O-B-S-C-U-R-A. It's a website. And it shows you where these little kind of different, out of the way things are that aren't just tourist attractions. All right, so we're gonna head back this way, and eventually we're gonna get to the Grand Canyon. But you know how I am. I just go out and I find stuff and break my plans all the time. But that's the beauty of traveling solo, is I don't have any plans, so I don't care when I get to where I'm going.